Guys, so we're heading to the Fast and Furious roller coaster construction because it's time for an update. We're almost there. Alright guys, so we finally made it, and this is how it looks now. It's getting even bigger. The workers are working on it. This is my third time seeing it. And the workers were working on it. And the Wicked's right there. And I don't see a train right there. Super Nintendo World's there. The Transformers right there. And Transformers. And there's a worker right there. See him walking around there. Walking there. The roller coaster is going right there. Right there. Right there. Hi everyone, thanks for watching.